How to apply for disability online. Apply for SSI online step-by-step guide. Are you struggling to apply for disability benefits? Not sure where to start or worried about making mistakes? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of applying for disability benefits online, step by step. Whether you're applying for Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income, SSI, this guide will help you get it done correctly and avoid delays. So, stay with me till the end. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an important update on Social Security benefits. Now, let's dive in. Understanding disability benefits. First, let's quickly cover what disability benefits are and who qualifies. There are two types of Social Security disability benefits: Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, SSI. SSDI is for individuals who have worked and paid Social Security taxes, but are now unable to work due to a disability. On the other hand, SSI is for individuals with little to no income and resources, designed to help with basic needs. To qualify for disability benefits, you must meet specific eligibility criteria. Your medical condition must prevent you from working and must last at least 12 months or be terminal. For SSDI, you need to have enough work credits based on your employment history, while for SSI, you must meet low-income requirements. Now that you understand the basics, let's move on to the application process. Preparing for your online application. Before you start the online application, it's important to gather all the necessary documents. This will save you time and help you complete the form smoothly. You'll need your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and Social Security number. Additionally, you must have medical records such as doctor's reports, test results, and hospital records. Work history details, financial information, and a list of medications and treatments you are receiving are also essential. Once you have these documents ready, you can now begin the online application process. How to apply for disability online, step by step. Now, let me show you exactly how to apply for disability benefits online. First, visit the official Social Security website at www.ssa.gov. Click on Disability Benefits, then select Apply for Benefits. Once you're on the application page, click Start a New Application and read the instructions carefully before agreeing to the terms. Next, you will need to enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and Social Security number. After that, provide details about your medical condition and how it affects your ability to work. List your doctors, hospitals, and any treatments you are receiving. The next step is to add your work history. If you are applying for SSDI, you must provide information about your previous employers, job descriptions, and the duration of your employment. After filling in the necessary work details, submit your supporting documents, including medical records and financial information. Finally, review all the information carefully to ensure accuracy, then click Submit to complete your application. You will receive a confirmation notice once your application has been successfully submitted. What happens after you apply? Great! You've successfully submitted your application. Now, let's talk about what happens next. The processing time for disability applications typically takes between 3 to 5 months. You can track your application status by visiting www.ssa.gov and logging into your My Social Security account. Once your application is reviewed, there are two possible outcomes. If your application is approved, you will receive a letter detailing your benefits and payment schedule. If your application is denied, don't panic. Many first-time applications get denied, but you have the right to file an appeal within 60 days. If you want to check the status of your application, simply log into your Social Security account and click on Check Application Status. Pro tips for faster approval. Before we wrap up, here are some expert tips to increase your chances of approval. First, be honest and detailed in your application. Clearly explain how your disability affects your daily life. Second, make sure to submit all required documents to avoid unnecessary delays. Third, follow up regularly by checking your application status online or contacting the Social Security Administration. Lastly, if you're unsure about any part of the process, consider seeking help from a disability lawyer or social worker. Final thoughts and call to action. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to apply for disability benefits online. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates on Social Security benefits. Also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.